Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and we are inside my car because I'm about to review one of the absolute tiniest, most powerful Android Auto and Apple CarPlay wireless adapters you can find. Yes, it will work for both. You can have one person using an iPhone, one person using an Android phone, and wireless CarPlay or wireless Android Auto will work. This is used to convert if your car already has CarPlay Android Auto, but it's wired, you have to plug in every time. That's a pain. This little tiny device turns it into wireless, and we're in my car, so we're going to check it out. First, let's talk about what comes in the box. You get this little tiny thumb drive-like device, which enables that wireless connection. You also get a cable to change this USB to USB-C in case your car has USB-C. It'll work with that as well. You also get a little sticker if you want to use that to kind of stick this in a nice place with that USB-C to USB adapter. And of course you get the instruction manual, and that's what comes in the box. Now we're in my car. We're going to see how fast this thing connects. First, let's talk about how you pair it up. When you first connect it and start your car should automatically detect it. It'll show the that it's a CarPlay box basically, and then you go into your phone settings, you connect to that Bluetooth that's linked there. Once that happens, it'll ask you a few questions about syncing your contacts, which of course you want to do, and allowing it to pair and all that good stuff, and then boom, it's connected to Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Really simple, easy to set up. Now once you have it set up, subsequent times, all you have to do is get in your car and start your car, and as long as this is plugged in, you'll automatically connect to Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, and it's super fast. So I'm going to plug this into my car right now, and then we are going to start my car up and watch it connect to CarPlay. Now part of that has to do with your car. Sometimes certain cars take a little bit longer than others to connect, but you'll see once it says it's connected to CarPlay, now it's making the connection with the car, and then it's going to go right into CarPlay. Already there. Now my car didn't take it in there automatically. Sometimes my car does, sometimes my car doesn't, but it was already connected. CarPlay works just like CarPlay would work with your wired connection. All the apps work. Even using Siri without using your hands works. Watch this. Hey Siri, what's the weather today?
Expect some clear skies today. Daytime temperatures will hover around 73 degrees, with overnight lows around 57.
So you can see using Siri works, everything works. Maps works, messaging works, your music apps, your audiobooks. It's basically exactly the same as if you were connected by a wire, except you're connecting wirelessly with this little tiny adapter, and it connects super fast. Practically just as fast as if you were plugging it into a wire, except now you don't have to deal with all that. This little device is made by a company called MSXTTLY. Yep, you heard that correctly, MSXTTLY. They're the ones who make this awesome little Android Auto, Apple CarPlay wireless adapter. If you are looking for a way to take your wired Android Auto, Apple CarPlay car and make it wireless, which would be the best thing to do, then this is a great way to do it. The thumb drive is really tiny. It's not going to take up a lot of space. You've got the adapter in case you have USB-C, so that you can plug it in either way. And with this tiny little device, like magic, now you have wireless Android Auto and wireless Apple CarPlay in your car. Works great, and definitely a product that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If anyone who might be interested in this product, share the video with them. Subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with future product reviews. And if you have any questions, just post them down below. I will be sure to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.